The hammer crusher is composed of main parts such as the rotor, the body, and the adjustment mechanism. The motor drives the rotor through a belt drive. The rotor part is composed of main parts such as main shaft, end plate, partition, hammer pin, and hammer head. The hammer head is hung on the hammer pin, and the hammer pin is installed on the end plate and the partition plate. The end plate and the partition plate are equipped with flat keys and nuts fixed on the spindle. The body part is composed of upper and lower casings, screens, liners, pallets, and other main parts. The screen is installed on the pallet. One end of the supporting plate is suspended on the shaft seats on both sides of the upper casing with a shaft, and the other end is connected with the adjustment mechanism through the connecting plate. Liners are installed on the inner walls of both sides of the casing to protect the casing from wear and tear. The screen, impact plate, and rotor form the crushing cavity. The hammer crusher is an impact rotor crusher with a hammerhead. After the material enters the crushing cavity, it is firstly crushed by the impact of the hammer head rotating with the rotor at high speed. The crushed material obtains kinetic energy from the hammer head at the same time, rushes to the crushing plate at a high speed, is crushed for the second time, and then falls to the screen. On the net, it is further crushed by the extrusion and grinding of the hammer head, and is discharged through the sieve holes. The adjustment of the discharge particle size is realized by replacing the screens of different specifications.